welcome back besties and broasties. Today I'm going to show you how to link your website to your YouTube channel. Make your way to your Creator Studio, go to Other Features, Customize Channel. Okay. From there go to About, you can add an email and also links. Add a link title and then URL. So just grab that from your website and then fill these out. Here we've filled that all out and then just hit done and that will save it. Okay, now test your link, and now this is taking you to my sign up for my email list on my page, so you can do that too for your site. Okay besties, I hope that was helpful, and don't forget we're still doing the sellout product line formula by Renae Christine for handmade businesses, how to make a sellout product line formula, okay, and that's the leading handmade business training. So grab that link below, it's www.joreilly.com/formula. See you tomorrow besties.